Steven, how the hell did you do this so fast? Man, a lot of sacrifices. Mostly goats. How do you know I'm not lying? That this is art heaven? Just look around you, man. Look around you. Oh, no. Get this gamut mask off of my color wheel. Oh, God. What the... There we go. Seriously, I am so sick of the way that the art world has convinced everyone out there that everyone is supposed to be good at everything because everyone is illustrator. Just these words that no one who's practicing this stuff actually knows what that job looks like. Turn the boat around. Stop worrying about exercises. Stop worrying about what's the best way to do them, which ones you should do, what's the curriculum, what's the process, who can teach me what. Stop it. Get out of there. Don't think about that stuff. Put your energy instead into a period where you reevaluate what you want as an individual and what you want out of your art. That can be really profound stuff like its meaning or its symbolism or something like that. Or it can just be a razor sharp delineation of what kinds of shapes do you like? What kind of colors do you like? What kind of values do you like? What does a good design look like to you? What does a good composition look like to you? What is the mood of a good picture to you? Go back. Get serious and real about your personal opinions and stop worrying about what anybody else thinks art is or how art works or what you're supposed to learn in what order. Forget them forever. Just ask yourself what you want. Think about how most of your favorite artists, they're only good at like one thing, right? Or they excel at one thing more than anything else, and that thing is what they're known for. No one's good at everything, right? You got to figure out what that is for you. That all starts with your opinions, with being sharp on your opinions. How often do you spin the pencil? I don't know. I don't really think about it. I probably am spinning it constantly, and I'm just not aware of it. I do sharpen it often. In fact, while I'm talking about it, brace yourself. How do you draw hand knuckles? Dude, just draw the Empire State Building and then erase some parts. That's all it takes. That's the pro strats right there. That's the meta. That's the meta, dude. You want to compete with Alduri, with Cynics, with Ross Tran? You want to compete with Sakimi Chan? That's the pro strats right there. That's the meta. Empire State Building, erase. Yes, pup. Yes. Come here, doggus. Come to us. Okay. Oh, say hello. Yes. Is this what you wanted? You wanted to be on camera? You want to draw with the paws? Just please do it for me. It's just like, I don't want to do this anymore. Can you just like draw all of it for me? What if I just like do the sketches and you finish them? Any interest? She's not a taker. I don't think she's taking me up on it. Go on, get. Ugh. Do you ever feel the emotion of the character that you were drawing? All the time. I think that's why I like, I think that's one of the reasons I like drawing monsters and stuff like that. It makes me feel monstrous. It makes me feel different. You know, sometimes you just gotta pick like, all right, oh, this is my picture. Oh, look at that, that's my picture. There's so much going on, that's my picture. Then you just gotta get in there. You just gotta say, all right, now that's my picture. How would I paint that if just that, what's on screen right now, if that was my whole picture? You do that for every part of the picture. 80 hours later, you're done. Finished, polished, refined, perfect.